Exporting a WordPress website allows you to back up your content or migrate to a new hosting provider. Here's how to export your WordPress website. Export content using WordPress export tool. Log into WordPress. Access your WordPress admin dashboard. Go to Tools. In the left sidebar, navigate to Tools, Export. Select Content to export. You can choose to export all content or select specific content types. Download export file. Click on the Download export file button. An XML file will be generated, which you can save to your computer. This file contains your content and data but not themes or plugins. Export themes and plugins using File Manager. Go to File Manager in your hosting control panel. Locate WordPress files. Navigate to the public HTML folder or the directory where WordPress is installed. Download themes and plugins. Go to WP Content and download the themes and plugins folders. Export database using phpMyAdmin. Access phpMyAdmin. In your hosting control panel, go to phpMyAdmin. Select Database. Choose the WordPress database and click Export. Download database. Select Quick and SQL format, then click Go to download the database.